Can't change your date of birth on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to fix can't change your date of birth on TikTok. Now to fix it, what you do now here is to go back like this by clicking this back arrow on the top section here. Is to go back entirely like this. But first, make sure your TikTok is up to date here by going back here and open your Play Store or Apple Store. Anyone here, I will use my Play Store. Now type TikTok and update it like this. Now you can see my own is not up to date. What you do is just click on this update and update it. Now after updating it, what you do is go back to your TikTok like this. Now here what you do now is to click on this three line on top side here. Now click settings and privacy. Now here slide gently till you find help center here. Click on help center. But first go back here. Now here's not the problem like this by clicking on an account again. Here click on account information, just the same process. Here click on date of birth again like this, and then screenshot it again like this. Anyhow you know how to screenshot it. You can see how I screenshot my own. Now here go back like this by clicking on your back navigation or left facing arrow on the top side here. Go back again. Now here slide down till you find help center. Click on help center. Now here click on report a problem like this. Now here slide down till you find need more help here. Click on it. Now here click on account. Now here first upload the picture of the problem by clicking this plus icon here. Click on photo like this. Now go to your gallery where you save the photo like this. Now here click on the problem photo in order to upload it to TikTok to report your problem. Here type on this search message bar here like this. Please help me. Let me type it and then explain. And here this is what I type. Please help me. I want to change my TikTok date of birth. I made a mistake. Now here after typing this like this, what you do now is to send it back by clicking this icon here and wait for it. Now here it will ask you to edit your date of birth. You can see here edit date of birth. Now click on it like this. Now here enter the date of birth here like this. Set it here. You can see I've set my own. Now click on confirm. Now click on confirm again. Now you have fixed the date of birth. What you do now is to click on done. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Check out the playlist on the screen in order to know everything on TikTok based on tutorial.